Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner. Today I have got an unbagging for you. Now this comes to me from Paint Someway, and I already opened it because I needed to make sure of what it was, so I could get all the info for you. So I'm just gonna go ahead, take this out of the bag. Just a couple of items. But I do want to say thank you to Paint Someway for sending these to me to share with all of y'all. I really do appreciate it. I don't know if it's better with my light on, or maybe I'll turn it off here in a minute. I don't know. So I have two items from Paint Someway, and they have gotten to where they have started putting some of their canvases in these little boxes, which I really like this because it keeps them from being damaged in shipping. Because once it leaves their doors, it's out of their hands. So when we get it and it's in, these little bags, and it's all crumpled and looks like somebody did a two-step on it, that's not the company's fault. That's shipping's fault. But the company can do things to help that their products do not get damaged. So that's why they have started putting these in boxes. Now, as you can see, not all of them are going in boxes, but I think it's a process. So anyway, I just want to say thank you to Paint Someway for starting to put their items in boxes. And again, thank you for sending these for me to share with everyone. So here is the first one that I picked. Now this one, there's a series, and maybe I can get it open. There we go. So this is a series. There are several different ones. And if you have been watching my channel, you know I've got a couple of these already. But these are different colored partials. Comes with the little green boat wax and a single placer pink pen. The drills. But this is a 30 by 30. Again, it is a partial. This is called Red Beauty. Now I have unboxed or unbagged, shared, shown, however you want to put it, the other colors. I have got the green beauty, the blue beauty, the purple beauty. Now I have the red beauty. I think there's a pink one. I don't know. I know there's several. Alright, so here is the canvas number, and you can see that there are 15 colors in this. It is very clear, as you can see. And let's look at this. Now again, this is called Red Beauty. And this was $5.99 on Paint Someway. We're going to look at these. These kind of put me in mind of the pearl paintings. But they do have, the crystals in there. But they're all different sizes. And they're all round. And then you come in here with all the little pearls. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different size pearls. Them are tiny. So all the bigger pearls are going to be down here on the bottom, and it's going to go smaller as you go up. But this is going to be really pretty. So, let's see if I can... I can never put these back in here. Why? Why do I do this? Oh my goodness. Well, there we go. Yeah, no. Okay, anyway. I'll do that off camera. Alright, so this was the first one. Again, Red Beauty, $5.99, and it's a 30 by 30. Alright, so here's the one that I chose that comes in a box. And it also has a, it's in a plastic bag so that you can keep the dust off of it. Alright. This also comes with the green tray, pink wax, and the pink single placer pen. Here are all the colors. And again, if you have been keeping up with my videos, you will know that I have picked out some of these. Now, this is a 30 by 45. And it is called a Dahlia. Because it's a Dahlia flower. These are also in a series. There is an iris. What is the other one? Foxglove and something, and the Dahlia. So, I thought this would be gorgeous to do these, frame them, and then these would look really pretty like in a bathroom or in a hallway or something. But here is the canvas number. And you can see it does have a schematic on the top left, bottom right. There are 30 colors. With the DMCs listed, it's 1 through 8, A through Z in order. And we just have 3 symbols at the bottom. But is that not so pretty? So there's, I mean, it's not horrible confetti, but you've got a lot of color blocking in here too. Very pretty. This is going to be gorgeous. Now you can see here are all the colors. I'm not going to take these out because they are in these teeny tiny bags. And it looks like a lot of them are just loose in there. But we have got some really pretty bright colors in there. This is going to be gorgeous. Now, this one was $8.99. And again, it's a 30 by 45. Very nice. Very sticky. Very pretty. So, yeah. Alright, so what do y'all think? Like I said, I do like that they are now coming out with these little boxes to put these in. I think they will probably, maybe, eventually, all of these will come in boxes. I don't know. But at least the majority of the bigger ones are now. So, alright, again, this is Paint Someway. I will leave the links to these in my description box along with any discount codes. I'm not sure if I have a discount code with this company. I don't know. If I do, it'll be in there. So, alright. Well, I do hope that you enjoyed this video. And I hope you're all having a marvelous day. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.